Hello, this is Asa Chaudhary here in front of you. I am the student of English Mania. Uh, I am going to play a role of principal in front of you. There are so many issues which are coming from the parent side or guardians. That why I called of you in front. I called of you in front of you here. And the first issue is that is related to discipline. Discipline is must in our school. Discipline is must in our school. That discipline is must in our school. That you know that our school is at the very high position in our city, that you have to work over it. The first is that discipline. The discipline is in teacher as well as in the student. It will be compulsory for all of you, that you have to do like this. Okay, the second one is that the corporal punishment. From according to me, you know that government have banned the corporal punishment from each and every school, but we have to do corporal punishment in our school for only fear only. Okay, and you have to beat in a limited manner. You do not beat like a wild animals. You do not do like this. This is not a profession of your that is not a profession of your. You don't do like this. Okay, the third is that the third point is that the punctuality. You have to come in school in time. Okay, when the I saw many teachers that so many teachers are not come in time. Are not come on time. You know that punctuality is must in our school. You have to come in time, then only the children also come on time. Okay, the third is that you do not allow to take unnecessary leave in school. Okay, if you have a genuine reason, then only I will give you a leave. Okay, then only you have to take leave. You know that I provided you a leave CL, that is for every month. I'll give you a CL. You have to use that CL na. Why you have to take this unnecessary leave? It is not because it disturb the class decorum a lot. You know that when you know that at one time three teachers are absent at a time. It is very bad. That you know that how can I handle this. Okay, so you don't do like this. It is not. Okay, the next issue is that there are so many queries from the guardians or the parent side, that you do not check the notebooks carefully. You have to do the you have to do the you have to do the you have to check the notebook very carefully. I saw many notebooks from the classroom, and I took the notebook from classroom. I saw that so many teachers write the wrong answer and wrong the right answer. The teacher do like this, so you don't do like this. This is not good. Okay, you have to work over it. The next issue is that all must speak in English. If you have speak in English, then only the children will speak in English only. So if you are not speak in English, then I will pay a charge on you. From your salary I deduct 50 rupees from your salary. Okay, if you are speaking in English, then you know that you improve your English also. If your English is also improving, then only your students will also improve your English. You know that in our coming time, the English is must in every sector. So you have to work over it. It is compulsory that you have to speak in English also, and uh, you have to said student that you have to speak in English only. It is must. You have to say to the student that you have to do like this only. The next is you when I was in round, I saw many students, they are making groups in our school campus, like in washroom near there are so many campus in our school. The student are gathering. When I asked her, when I asked there, then I noticed that all of them student are of the same class. At least 5 or 4 student that is of the same class. It means it is not appropriable that 5 or 4 student are from the same class. Then how it is possible? So you have to work over this. You know that I'll give you a pass, 2 pass, that is, it is for girls and as well as for boys also. You have to permit only one student at a one pass only. At one time you have to allow only one girl and one boy at one pass only. Not 2 or 4 students are allowed to go out of the class. It is not good. So you have to work over this. Okay. The next issue is that you know, in every school, not my school, in every school, mobile are not allowed in any condition. You know that it disturb our children studies so much. It means that I saw many teachers in not my school, in any other school, that teacher operate their mobile phone, and the student are shouting here and there. They do not do like this. It is not good. If you know that I'll provide you a locker in our school, that you have to keep your phone in your locker. Otherwise you have to keep your phone in your bag also, but you have to switch off your silent your phone. It is good. I know that you have a urgent work, that your parents have a lot of problem. If he or she facing many problem in your house, then in that case you have to suffer na. You have to carry your phone, you have to take your phone. I don't have any problem, but you do not operate your phone in your class. It is not good. You have to work over this. It is clear to me? It is clear? Okay. The next is that it is related to that your dress code. The next issue is that I saw many teachers like Princey ma'am and Rashmi ma'am are wearing jeans in our school campus. I know she is unmarried, but it according to me it look awkward. According to me, you have to wear simple suit, simple formal dress. You have to wear like this. It look good. If I talk about in gents you do not allow to wear jeans. It look not good. Mother, you have to wear formal dresses. You have to wear formal dresses. It look very decent. You are looking very good. Then anyone can saw you, and then he will or she will definitely happy with you, happy from you, that you are looking very decent. So that is a good point, that you have to come in formal uniform in our school campus. Okay. The next is that you know that in our in our school I hire a one teacher, that is a sport teacher is there. Her name is Uma ma'am. Okay, that Uma is a very good teacher, and I know she is a very good discipline also. And she has a good discipline. in her also, and she have to apply on she have to apply on children also. I know she is a very good teacher, she is a very disciplined good teacher, but I saw many time that the time of the मतलब
For ringing the bell at the time of lunch time. ऐसे बोल सकते हैं.
You have to choose good student. ऐसे ही होता है, ये बताओ time
okay. You know that in your period time, means in class when period is off, I saw that many teachers are sitting idly in the class. The student of that class didn't come in class at time. For then I will ask to that teacher that what is the reason. Then she will tell me that before this period it is the period of that sports teacher. So you have to work over it. Uma, got it my point? You have to work over it. Okay. Okay, the next issue is that when I check the register of your class, the next issue is that then when I see your class register, then I saw that so many students are absent. At least 5 to 6 days they are absent. Then teacher do not teacher didn't didn't ask to that student then why are they absent in the class, why they are absent in the class. Is there any reason, is there any genuine reason why are you taking leave in that class? It is not compulsory. It is not compulsory for you only, that it is compulsory for student only, that you have to you are allowed only that. I already told you that you take a leave of only 2 days. That's why I'll give you that you have to take only 2 days leave. But it is only not yours. It is applicable only for student also, that he or she will take a leave only 2 or 3 in a month. It is applicable. If he or she is suffering from fever or any in any condition, if they are suffering from disease, then only they have to take leave. Okay. I saw the next issue is that when the school is at the time of when the school is dispersed. At the time of school dispersed, I saw that the student run very run मतलब काफ़ी तेज भागते हैं. रनिंग okay. At the time of school dispersed, I saw that many children are run very fast in school campus. It is not good. You have to work over this. You have to make a discipline. You know that I hired many extra teacher for that our school having discipline in our school. So at the time of disperse, you have to work over it, and you have to disperse the lower class first, like LKG, UKG first, and after that you have to disperse the higher classes. Then I know I saw many cases in our school that our small children get hurt from the higher classer student. That will be happen in our school. I saw that you have to work over it. You have to do like this. Okay, this is all about me. Thank you.